Dear friends, today also we brought you some important information and announcements from Indian stock market. Here are 32 stocks including SAB India, Grasim Industries, ICICI Bank, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Dev Information Technology Limited, Dev IT, current market price rupees 110. Company announced the stock split in the ratio 5:2. That means if you have 200 shares of Dev Information Technology, your 200 shares convert to 500 shares. Ex date and record date for the stock split is fixed as 21st August 2025. Davangere Sugar Company Limited, Davangere, share is trading around rupees 3.3. Company announced rights issue at the rate 13:25 at the rate rupees 2.05. That means if you have 250 shares of Davangere Sugar Company, you can apply for 130 shares at the rate rupees 2.05. Ex date and record date for the rights issue is fixed as 6th August 2025. Karur Vaishya Bank Limited, Karur Vaishya, share is trading around rupees 260. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 500 shares of Karur Vaishya, you will get 100 shares as bonus. So total you will have 600 shares. Ex date and record date for the bonus is fixed as 26th August 2025. ICICI Bank Limited, ICICI Bank, current market price rupees 1472. ICICI Bank announced a dividend of rupees 11 per share. 12th August is fixed as the ex date and record date. Grasim Industries Limited, Grasim, current market price rupees 2722. Grasim Industries announced a dividend of rupees 10 per share. 12th August is fixed as the ex date and record date. Neelamalai Agro Industries Limited, share is trading around rupees 3575. Neelamalai Agro Industries announced a dividend of rupees 30 per share. 11th August is fixed as the ex date and record date. Hindalco Industries Limited, Hindalco, current market price rupees 672. Hindalco Industries announced a dividend of rupees 5 per share. 8th August is fixed as the ex date and record date. Premco Global Limited, current market price rupees 473. Premco Global announced a dividend of rupees 4 per share. 8th August is fixed as the ex date and record date. Hyundai Motor India Limited, Hyundai, current market price rupees 2181. Hyundai Motors announced a dividend of rupees 21 per share. 5th August is fixed as the ex date and record date. The Grob Tea Company Limited, Grob Tea, current market price rupees 1104. Company announced a dividend of rupees 3 per share. 5th August is fixed as the ex date and record date. Tips Music Limited, Tips Music, current market price rupees 582. Tips Music announced a dividend of rupees 4 per share. 5th August is fixed as the ex date and record date. Jayashree Tea and Industries Limited, Jayashree Tea, current market price rupees 109. Company announced a dividend of 50 paise per share. 5th August is fixed as the ex date and record date. Shreyans Industries Limited, current market price rupees 230. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5 per share. 5th August is fixed as the ex date and record date. Prima Plastics Limited, current market price rupees 149. Prima Plastics announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share. 5th August is fixed as the ex date and record date. Phoenix Overseas Limited, For Global, current market price rupees 21. Company announced a dividend of 60 paise per share. 6th August is fixed as the ex date and record date. AVT Natural Products Limited, AVTNPL, current market price rupees 76. AVT Natural announced a dividend of 40 paise per share. 6th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Naga Dhunseri Group Limited (NDGL) share is trading around rupees 4085. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2.5 per share. 7th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Karur Vysya Bank Limited. Karur Vysya, current market price rupees 260. Karur Vysya Bank announced a dividend of rupees 2.6 per share. 7th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. CCL Products India Limited (CCL), current market price rupees 894. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 7th August 2025. Britannia Industries Limited (Britannia), current market price rupees 5798. Britannia Industries announced a dividend of rupees 75 per share. 4th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Gandhi Special Tubes Limited (Gandhi Tube), current market price rupees 780. Company announced a dividend of rupees 15 per share. 4th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Nava Limited (Nava), current market price rupees 621. Nava announced a dividend of rupees 6 per share. 7th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. PI Industries Limited (PI Ind), current market price rupees 4190. PI Industries announced a dividend of rupees 10 per share. 7th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. ESAB India Limited (ESAB India), current market price rupees 5264. ESAB India announced a dividend of rupees 42 per share. 7th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Aldigi Tech Limited (Aldigi), current market price rupees 1029. Aldigi announced a dividend of rupees 30 per share. 8th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Upcoming IPOs. Essex Marine Limited, face value rupees 10 per share, price rupees 54, lot size 2000 shares. IPO opens on 4th August and IPO closes on 6th August 2025. Tentative allotment 7th August, initiation of funds 8th August, credit of shares to demat account 8th August. Tentative listing date is fixed as 11th August 2025. Essex Marine Limited, incorporated in 2009, Essex Marine Limited is a seafood processing and exporting company. The company procures, processes, stores and exports quality fish and aquaculture products, including ribbon fish, eelfish, marine fish, squid and mackerel to countries like China, Belgium and Japan. Their processing facility in Midnapur, West Bengal is equipped with modern machinery such as IQF with glazer and hardener, plate freezers, blast freezers and cold storage chambers adhering to international standards like HACCP, GMP, SSOP, FSSAL and BRC. This is the balance sheet of Essex Marine Limited for the last 3 years. All the figures are in crores. BLT Logistics Limited, face value rupees 10 per share, price band rupees 71 to 75, lot size 1600 shares. IPO opens on 4th August and closes on 6th August 2025. Tentative allotment date 7th August, initiation of funds 8th August, credit of shares to demat account 8th August. Listing date is fixed as 11th August 2025. BLT Logistics Limited, incorporated in 2011, BLT Logistics Limited is engaged in providing surface transportation of goods in containerized trucks and warehousing services to various industries and businesses. The company's logistics operations are supported by its fleet, Sabarmati Express India Private Limited, and third-party operators providing necessary transportation facilities like containerized trucks from small fleet owners and agents. As of March 31, 2024, the company owns an operational fleet of 90 vehicles and 15 vehicles as part of its 99.99% subsidiary Sabarmati. This is the balance sheet of BLT Logistics for the last 2 years. All the figures are in crores. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.